277 new cases reported today, 245 on Oahu, 23 on the Big Island, 8 on Maui. Officials are concerned about the growing activity on Maui and the Big Island. Jen Boniza has more.
I spoke to Mayor Michael Victorino and Mayor Harry Kim. Though they say they are concerned about clusters in their communities, they tell me that they do not have plans to reinstate stay-at-home orders at this time. But they are taking other actions to ensure that the virus doesn't continue to spread. Maui and Hawaii County have seen cases continue to grow. Since August 11th, Maui County logged 124 positive cases out of the 308 total cases they've had since the start of the pandemic. Hawaii Island has had 121 out of the 243 total cases there. Lieutenant Governor Josh Green says the concern is whether Maui and Hawaii hospitals can handle those who may need care.
On the neighbor islands where I often work in the ER on weekends, we have far less capacity.
Mayor Harry Kim says he is aware of a large funeral service that took place, but is not concerned with whether it caused the surge. Department of Health says so far 500 people have been tested in connection with that cluster.
It's really hard to determine, what the starting point is because you're not down to the second, third generation of the original. When I was asked, where is the cluster? Quite frankly, I told him the cluster is the city of Hilo.
Kim says he's concentrating on preventing further spread. He's beefing up testing in Hilo. Police are enforcing existing rules limiting gatherings to no more than 10 people. And he had public areas in Hilo disinfected. On Maui, most of the recent cases are linked to two clusters, one at Maui Memorial Hospital and the other at an assisted living facility.
We're at a good place right now. There's no real urgency because these outbreaks are in confined areas like the healthcare and the long-term care facilities. He's not coming out of gatherings.
Victorino says he's paying close attention to beaches and parks.
And most are doing physical distancing. They're not popping tents up. They're really trying to obey the rules so that we don't have to step back. We don't want to be like Oahu.
Victorino tells me he is keeping an eye on testing and positive cases. He says if those numbers start to increase, he will implement stricter rules. Jen Boniza, KH12 News, working for Hawaii.